So welcome back once again to another video of the series Technical Analysis. In this video series we are analyzing multiple coins on the basis of on a daily basis and we give you potential entries, and I hope you guys are making money. If you like the content, please make sure you smash up the like button and you subscribe the channel. So the coin today that we are going to analyze is Axie Infinity. I should have analyzed this coin earlier because I am holding almost like my 6 or 7% of my portfolio with Axie Infinity. Some people say it's a flop project, but still it had got good gas in it because of the gaming industry, which is rather, let's say, it's a bigger industry than the film industry. So you see that there has been a 24% rise in the last 24 hours in the Axie Infinity that has brought Axie to today's trends. So let's analyze the Axie Infinity and let's see what's going on. So I have uploaded a video on Ethereum. If you have not watched it, I have given some targets which I expect could be hit in the next few days. You might want to watch it. It's the last video in my channel. So Axie Infinity. Oh, there you go. So we have seen a huge surge of price in Axie Infinity today. In the last 24 hours. You can see that this line is 200 moving average, and Axie Infinity, it pumped right across this line and it has converted this line into support level. Currently it is taking some good support on this line. I hope that it does not fall below that. If it goes below that, that would be, let's say, a trap, or we just say the stop loss hunt. So that would not be good something. So let's check it in bigger frames as well. Okay, so that's a higher time frame. However, in the higher time frame you see a different picture. You see nothing. Let's check the volume. So I see some volume coming in Axie. This candle is a good volume actually, but however I want this kind of candle, but not with this price action. This candle with a this volume candle with a big green candle here. That's what I want for this, so we can have some, let's say, good confluence. So let me just find where the structure was damaged. So you see this place, this right here, this is the place where the market structure for Axie was broken. So even though Axie went into the bearish phase for a while, however, if Axie closes above it, it goes back above this place and closes above on this with a retest and goes back above. So this whole move, this would be considered as a break of structure, that it would mean nothing, just a speculation or a break of structure. That's a very positive sign for Axie. So we will consider just is a structure that broke down, and the overall trend, it remains bullish. It just got here a structure break, and it will continue its next rally. They might make new all-time high as well, or some new potential targets. So let's hope that happens, or whatever I'm saying, that happens. So until that does not happen, we cannot say that this was a break of structure or something else. There is another chance as well. Let's see if it goes here and it gets rejected. So we can make another lower low. That's also a possibility that you have to keep in your mind. So I don't want you to misjudge anything. I just want to give you some good trades, a good idea so that you could make something out of it. Let me just take something. So talking about the fibs, well, on fibs we see this area as a support level. However, it's not exactly that place, but it still works. Anyways, let's leave them. So okay, so here we are back on the 1 hour time frame, and let's try to find out something on this 1 hour time frame. So you see here on the hourly time frame, we see huge volume in Axie. What could have caused that pump is the recovery from the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has recovered a little bit. I made a video on that also, even before everybody was saying it's gonna go to $24,000. I created this video and I told you that Bitcoin is going to be at 31 soon. So if you did not watch that video, you can watch it now. There's a lot of information that you really need. So we had this kind of broadening wedge, I would say. It's a little bit broadening, not too broadening. And what Axie did was that it broke out of this. If somebody told me about Axie a few days ago, like on 23rd May, somebody told me, if somebody would have commented down in my YouTube video that please make a video on Axie, I would have definitely told you about this thing. If it breaks out, what you should be targeting. So let's say we just, both of us, we missed this move. Well, this is not spilled milk. I have already given you some other coins as well. So what's the resistance? What's the new resistance? There will be a resistance zone. It is still at a resistance zone as well. That place. Let me just draw them for you. This place as well. That was act at resistance for Axie. Say that place, and this one as well. So these are the next two resistance lines that Axie needs to break out of. Let me see if I can see any bigger wedge or bigger structure. When you are doing little scalping trades, you need to watch these structures. However, for the bigger structures, you must have patience to do a swing trade. I don't find anything on Axie, any kind of more wedge. If I find something, if it creates something, I will create a video and let you know. For now, I think Axie has already taken off. However, you will have only chance if it comes back to this place. If it comes to this place, let me just give you this. This place. So that would be a support. If you missed the Axie, you might want to enter at that place with a tight stop loss. Make sure you put a tight stop loss and you target for this area. And that's it for the Axie. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.